So guys, I have a recipe, a breadcrumbs pudding recipe that I want to share with you. It is so good that I couldn't keep it secret. Now, look at the texture of that bread. Yes, you have to make it just like that to achieve the taste. And you know what? I'm gonna give you a little snippet of what it looks like, the end product, and how it is. Don't click off, you know. Stay right there. Wait for it. Ah, guys, I'm telling you. Look at it. I don't know if you can see, but I hope you can do. Look at it. Oh my goodness. Yes. I had a taste for this pudding. And it's such a simple recipe, but yet still so tasty. And you can do it to your taste. You can tweak it to your liking. Yes, just wait and see how we prepare this recipe. And please, don't bother watch the presentation style. You see, the house never looked too nice, so I had to do more of a zooming in. But you get the idea. I wanted to share it with you. I was so eager to share it with you that I went ahead and I put the video out anyways. Alright, so enjoy it. Please share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with anybody you want to share it with. I'm telling you, don't keep it to yourself. It tastes so good enough. Try it. Let me know. Comment below. We used our Hamilton Beach grinder to get the bread to the desired crumb level that we wanted. And this is the type of bread. It is a deli type, rubbery type Italian bread. I'm thinking I'll get the correct name and link it below. And yeah, we used that and it came out quite nice. We're going to be using a Great Value evaporated milk. Now we're adding some cow's milk. Some salt to taste. Add salt to taste. Adding some vanilla. Now some organic cinnamon powder. All the measurements will be listed in the description box. That's the cinnamon powder. Now adding some sugar. Brown sugar, please note. Then you mix everything together and taste for salt and for sugar. As always, it is to your taste, as per your taste. Okay, we're ready to combine the ingredients now. So pouring in of the... And this is a different method of making the bread pudding. I know I have 2 other puddings up on the channel already, but this is a different method. If you notice, the bread was grounded up to like you're gonna make breadcrumbs. This is the consistency you're looking for. That's the consistency you're looking for. And you're gonna leave it to soak for a little bit. Now adding a 1/4 pound of melted butter. Adding a bit of nutmeg. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Then you're gonna grease your container, whether it be a Pyrex dish or a pot like we used. Yes, you can bake in these type of pots. And then you put some butter on top and put it in the oven, and about 40 minutes later, voila, you got a delicious bread pudding. Thank you.